Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. Welcome to this edition of Truck Life. Having a truck is a really cool thing, and it's even cooler when you get great accessories that make your truck even more usable in different settings. I have a great new accessory today that I'm going to tell you about, the Tailgater Tire Table. Stay tuned. Today we're looking at a great product that is really useful when you're out camping or servicing the vehicle itself to store supplies and tools and so forth. So this is a tire-mounted table put out by tailgatertiretable.com. Try to say that 3 or 4 times real fast. But here's the product. It comes like this in a flat carton. It comes in 2 different versions. One's aluminum. The other one is steel, powder coated. The difference between the two is weight. As you can see right here at the bottom of the package, the aluminum version's under 6 pounds and the steel version is under 14 pounds. They're both great durable products, and we'll unbox this one, but let me show you what the product looks like when it's installed. And here it is. This is the aluminum version. It's painted a silver tone, and as you can see, it's mounted over the tire and has these down brackets that allow you to put weight on this. Now, if you're gonna put a significant amount or you want this not to bounce at all, there is an additional support leg that is stowed right in the center support of the table that you can lower straight down, and using the thrust nut here, tighten it this way, and now that is right here. You can load this. Now, the load capacity for this table is about 50 pounds. Please do not use it for a step and putting heavy loads on it. That's not what it's designed for. It is a convenience table, great for picnic items, perhaps even a socket set while you're working on the vehicle and so forth. If you don't want to use this down bracket here straight down, you can also adjust it so that it goes down to the base of the tire, or in some rims there are some convenient places to actually put this in to some place in the rim. My particular rims don't work very well with that, so I choose to put it at the base of the tire, and when you tighten that up, you can see that you've got something that is quite durable and will serve you well. It's high enough that you could sit around it or beside it, put a beverage on it or some hors d'oeuvres or that sort of thing, and further utilize your truck as you're out and about. Now, there's another version of this, and that is the steel version. As we mentioned earlier, it's just under 14 pounds. We're going to go ahead and unbox that and show you how you set up one of these, because the way it comes shipped is also the best way to stow it when it's not in use. So let's get to it. All right, so let's go ahead and get this unboxed. As you see, it comes in a narrow box. It's very handleable and reasonable to place. And so the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna use this other table as a little work table. Why not? Let's put it to work. I'm gonna lower this down, and we'll go ahead and open the shipping tape here. You can see the unit nested inside, and it is powder coated. Let's go ahead and pull this off, stand it up vertically here, and we'll try to wiggle this out a little bit. There we go. Pretty straightforward. The unit comes out. All right, everything is here. Here's some shipping assistance right here. Here's a little bit of an accessory bag that goes with it, which is actually an accessory you can buy. You'll see that on their website. We'll show that a little bit later. All right, let's go ahead and get this table set up. Now you can see that everything's in its stowage position. The first thing we need to do here is clip these keepers, these zip ties. And once we do that, you can see the down rods right here stowed here, and this is your storage position. Those right there are the same as these on this other one here. They are what is going to press against the tire. So we'll need to take those out. Just pressing the little silver button, remove them, place them with the gritty side out because they're going to rest against the tire. Do that on both sides. So that's there. The next thing you need to do, the item is going to slide in and out this bracket right here, and those are kept in place by these thrust nuts. Now, this is not the way to keep them, because if you did, you'd have to reach under the table to adjust these, and the better way to place them while the unit's in use is on the outside. So go ahead and place it on this side, and then we'll step and repeat. All right, now go ahead and slide the bracket out to an approximate width to where you believe your tire is going to be, somewhere in there for my unit. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten these two thrust nuts out. All right, there is your table ready to mount on the tire. If you have a very large tire, you can actually do this where this arc is going down below. That gives you more grip around the back edge that way. You can set it up different ways. Now, where is that arm that you see down here? Well, it is beautifully stowed away right here. As you can see, it's right in here. There's also a little touch button right there. You can take that out, pop that out, and bring this around, and then either adjust it right here with the thrust nut to the length you want, or back this angle, whatever way you'd like. And you can put it back there. Now, what's the good, the bad, and the ugly about this unit? Well, I think number one, for the price point, overall it's a great value. Well made, nice fit and finish, looks good on the vehicle, because when you camp or when you're working, you do want to look classy, right? So this looks really good. The price point is reasonable. And stay tuned to the end and I'll give you a discount code to be able to get it. What do I not like? Well, it's not that I don't like. This is a medium gauge. If you're looking for something that you feel like is a cover for a basement window well, that is super heavy duty that people stand on, this isn't it. It's moderate use. And the trade-offs are, if you built it that way, it'd be so heavy you wouldn't want to use it. So this is the correct gauge for its use. Now, there's one thing that I saw in here that I think just my preference, and that is, as you notice, when you open this right here, that's a little loose for my liking. So either what I would do is put washers on both sides of that, or just tighten this up a bit so that this doesn't flop around as much. I just like things to operate a little bit smoother. So what that's going to take is a 5/32 Allen wrench and a crescent wrench on the other side. And as you can see, the same setup is down here in this aluminum one we already have installed. You would simply take that, put that on the one side, put this on the other, and I could tighten it and bring that a little bit snugger if I like it. Well, let's take a look at this nice little accessory, the stowage bag. Nice nylon ripstop, looks durable. And what we'll do is go ahead and put the other unit, the steel unit, and just continue to use this as a work table here. We'll go ahead and open this up so it's ready to receive the new item here. Let's go ahead and pull this out and reverse the assembly we did earlier. We've already put the center leg back into place where it would go, so this would come down, it would be put away. The next thing we're going to do is pull out these little legs. They're going to go right back into these keepers here. All right, now we're going to go ahead and undo these thrust nuts on the side here and reverse this item all the way back in. And we'll go ahead and remove these out and put them back into the inside for better stowage. Okay, we are now ready to go. Notice that it fits better this way than it does this way. And there you go. All right, this also comes with a nice little instruction sheet that tells you step by step what to do that you've just seen demonstrated. And there's also a video at their website at tailgatertiretable.com, as you can see indicated right there. So if what I've shown you is a little confusing, or you've got these instructions and you're more a visual person instead of a reader, then you can certainly watch it. There's also a diagram on the back that gives you the terminology of what they're referring to. So very helpful, very simple, very effective little tool. Now, where do you go about buying one of these? Well, you can simply visit tailgatertiretable.com. And if you go there and you use the promo code provided for you, one of our viewer families, at DirtFarmer20, you will receive 20% off of your purchase price of any item that's $39.95 or greater. Hey, tell them Dirt Farmer Jay sent you. Disclosure time, these tables were provided to us at no cost with the permission from the manufacturers to honestly, genuinely, and authentically review them, which we've done. We'll enjoy these tables here, but we are not compensated in any other way. We just simply like to pass on great products to people that we find useful around here. We hope you enjoy, and if you have something, another type of device like this that you feel you'd like to share with the rest of our viewer family, or you'd like for us to take a look at, won't you comment in the comment section below. If you found this video to be helpful, won't you like it? And better yet, please subscribe to our channel, and when you do, ring the bell so that you'll get notifications immediately when we put out new videos approximately every Friday. Hey, thanks for watching today. Until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay from DirtFarmerJ.com.